15 Tackly riddles. Can you solve this all? Number 1 riddle. What has keys but cannot open locks? Think fast. Don't look for the answer yet. Answer A. Pino. Did you get it right? Comment your source. And next question wrong 2 riddle. What has hands but cannot claps? Think fast. Don't look for the answer yet. Answer A. Clock. Comment your source. And next question wrong 3 riddle. What gets wetter but the more it drips? Think fast. Don't look for the answer yet. Answer A. Towel. And next question wrong 4 riddle. What has a knees but no head? Think fast. Think fast. Answer A. Bottle. Comment your source. And the next question wrong 5 riddle. What can travel around the world while staying in one corner? Think fast. A. Strum. And the next question wrong 6 what has one eye but cannot see? Think fast. Don't look for the answer yet. Answer neatly. So the riddle is very important. Next riddle 7. What has many teeth but cannot bite? 90% people failed the correct answer. Answer A. Column. And next question 8. What comes down but never goes up? Think fast. Do not look. Answer rain. Only genius person right answer. So it is very difficult. And next question 9. What has words but never speaks? Think fast. Answer A. Book. And next question 10. What belongs to you but other people use it more than you do? Think fast. Think fast. Please comment your answer. Your name. Answer. And next question 11. What has a face but 2 hands but no arms or legs? Think fast. Answer A. Clock. Only genius person right answer. And the next question 12. What can you catch but never throw? Think fast. A. Cold. Only genius person right answer. And next question 13 riddle. What has a thumb and 4 finger but is not able? Answer A. Globe. And next question 14. What goes up when the rain comes down? Think fast. Just 5 seconds. An umbrella. And next question 15. I am a tall when I am young and short when I am old. What am I? So it is very difficult. A. Cattle. So it is very important riddle. How many did you source? Comment your source below. Like, subscribe more riddles.